Hello everyone. Welcome to Designing JPA Entities and Relationships with ChatGPT. In this slide, we will learn about designing JPA entities and relationships with ChatGPT. Our objective is to use ChatGPT to brainstorm and shape entity models, then verify the output. Demo idea is book and orders. Here we have four domains: customer, order, order line, item, and book. So that order is like this. Customer can have one or more than one order. Order can have one or more than one order items. And each order item is associated with a book. It means customer to order will have one to many relationship. Order to order item will have one to many relationship. And order item to book will have one to one relationship. So here we have a prompt that I copy. Okay. Yeah, at the moment we do not want bi-directional relationship because it will have some Jason Jackson issues. We want to have unidirectional relationship. Customer, order item, and book. Let's see. Customer. I book. I already have actually. Okay. Book. I already have. I don't have order. So let's make it order. Order line item. I don't have. So let's have order line item. Order line item. Order line item. Customer and book. One order. Yeah. One customer can have many orders. Many order handled by one customer. Okay. Many order items are handled by one order. An order item. Order item. Where is order item? Order. Order item. Okay. Many order items are handled by one book. Okay. This N to one. N to one. Okay. So customer to order. Let's see order. Order. Many orders are handled by one customer. So customer to order will be 1 to n. Correct. Okay. Order item. Many orders. Many order item handled by one order, and many order item are handled by one book. Okay, so order item is done. Order is yes. Order. So many customers, many orders associated with one customer. Okay, and one order can be associated with many order item. Okay. So best thing is to I understand that so far it looks okay. Best thing is to run the complete application. Okay. But if I run this application, I need to have running application like this, and it is not running. So first I start Docker. Okay, then I start uh, database, Dockerized database. It is running. Now I start the application. Okay, so far application is running. So it means okay, I can do one more thing. I can go to Harry SQL. There's a client. Let's see some tables are created. Okay, book, customer, order line, all tables are created. I can say like this JPA relationship is correct. Otherwise, I would have got some error. Okay, so foreign key, customer table is created, then order line table is created with book ID and order ID. Okay, then order is created. Both are foreign keys. Okay, order is created, then order line item is considered, foreign key constraint is added, then order line this is created. It is a good practice to have big decimals with pricing. Okay, yeah, I think we are done with this. Okay, discuss mapping the chat GPT process. Maybe ask it change bidirectional to unidirectional. We are using unidirectional, I think. Yeah. No, to some extent, I think one places we are using bidirectional. Yes, yes, here we are using bidirectional. Mm, entity. Yeah, here that we could think whether we need it. Okay. Refactor to unidirectional wherever possible to avoid infinite JSON recursion. Okay. Add nodes on which side own the relationship. This is a very important part. So I could think of. I do not want to use bidirectional. I would like to comment it out because I don't want to take risk. Unidirectional is okay. I will comment it out and I'll restart the Docker container. So somehow I removed this bidirectional stuff. I made it unidirectional. Okay, so I don't want to have any new issues. Okay, unless it is very important to have a directional. Okay. So ask for final entities. Was happy with design. Now generate full JPA entity with Lombok and import customer book order line item using final design. Okay. So I imported everything. Let's see whether yes, I'm using Lombok also for these things like getter, setter, no arg, constructor, all argument constructor. Okay. Use ChatGPT for exploring options. Show bidirectional and unidirectional. Okay. So this cascading time we can decide at the runtime. Okay, I will show this thing in some real-time example. Database naming standard. Yes, we cannot accept everything blindly. And fetching type like eager or lazy. So let's see. I don't think we are specified fetch type anywhere. Yeah, fetch type lazy. Normally, when we don't need book, it's better to fetch it in a lazy fetch type unless we get some very urgent requirement. Okay, so there are two type of fetch I think. Fetch type lazy and eager. So I have specified as lazy. So in case there is a need of order, then that order will be loaded. Okay. So cascade. Am I using cascade anywhere? I don't think I'm using cascade anywhere. Yeah, here I was using cascade type all, but somehow I removed this by bidirectional. So I think it is also gone. Okay. Okay. Cascade is done. Database naming standard. Oh, the table should be named like this. Orders, plural. Okay. And n plus one queries we'll discuss a bit later. What are the pitfalls of n plus one queries? Why don't you just accept everything blindly? This is a very important line. Why don't we accept everything blindly? If we accept everything blindly, then we could be in big trouble. Okay. So far I think JPA entity relationship was pretty good. And now with some test and some real time examples, we can better understand it, what is correct and how we can use it. Okay. So far it looks good. So thank you very much for watching this slide and let's move to the next slide.